Hello everybody, welcome to Chainsaw Man Devil's Heart. Part like 4, I think, I don't know. I'm joined by my friends Spider and Fox, as usual. Also, there is a special thing planned for, April 29th, which will be a special day. Like, you know, special day. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not gonna spoil anything for it, but I will have a special video for that. So without further ado, let's get into it. Oh my god, bro, there's a whole line of Yakuzama underlings. Oh wait, no, they spread apart. Bro, there was just a whole line of them on the wall. Bro, when you guys see the video, you'll see what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Use a king underling shot a dropkick beetle, and guess what?
What?
And then a whole pack of use a
Do you
king
mind helping me with this quest? I'll be sure to reward you plenty.
Dropkick person. He already killed three of them already. The dropkick person killed
Hey Dion, I got 10,000. I got 16,000 yen, and I don't know what to do with it.
I have more than you, Zayden.
No, you don't.
Somebody has Chainsaw Man. I have 19,000.
That's cap.
He's not capping.
I find it hard to believe that.
Me and Zayden 1v1 once, and I kept beating him up, but then he used the hybrid and
Bro, shut up. You did not beat me up whatsoever. You did not beat me up whatsoever. If anything, you lost like 15 times. Okay. Okay, and your point? Okay, that's it. Ow. This is so realistic to the show. Oh god, I'm about to die. He does not. Bro, you didn't kill me.
You gave me boost. I cut his head off. And you cut the rest of his body off, okay.
I need to
Wait,
kill
what
Crit.
is that here?
That's the guy that gives you the suit.
I know, but like, who's this? Oh, shit.
Cool.
Ow.
Jesus,
Wait,
okay.
you can quit? You
What?
said you can quit.
What do you mean?
Do you want to go for the boss or?
I can't really go boss hunting. I'm too low. I also need to complete a quest.
The daily quest?
Yeah, the daily quest.
I'm gonna do a daily quest too.
I have to
You found
Wait, that guy? Oh, it's this guy. we fought him. You were about to kill him.
Coming back. No. Wait.
He went around.
Are you giving me a boost like that on purpose?
Not really.
Get over here, you idiot.
Where'd he go? No, how'd I miss? We're all just like cornering him.
I love how Beaver came around the back and then I came around the front and then you came around the alleyway.
Oh my god, I lost him.
He escaped.
Yeah, he escaped. He'll pay off his debt eventually.
Watch out, bro.
Oh, I cannot die. How'd I...
I cut his leg off. Oh, he's coming back. Is that him? No, that's not him. That's someone else.
Okay, yeah, that is someone
Oh,
else.
a Sesame theme. A Sesame theme. Hold on.
Where are all the cricket fiends?
What?
I'm trying to find cricket fiends.
You
Yes.
are a cricket. Oh, is this him? His name is Mr. Bacon, no? Thanks, Mr. Bacon. Yeah! 3 Pokemon dodge.
Bro really missed his shot.
I'm invincible with this.
There's 2 beetle fiends fighting.
Beetle fiends?
Yeah. How do you get auto dodge?
What'd you say?
How do you get auto dodge?
It's something that would get you upgrade all your stamina to max.
Oh.
For example, hit me. Hit me once.
What? Oh.
Hit me once. Not hit once. Try again. Hit me once. No. 3, 2, 1, go. Now hit me again. Now hit me again. It only works if then
Yeah.
I have to complete auto downs, but you don't have to complete one. For example, let me hit keep spamming Q, okay?
Okay.
Keep pressing Q, keep on pressing Q.
Okay. Whoa.
But you don't have to complete one.
Hi. Hi.
That's my old friend from school. He left the school and moved.
Hi, now die. Bro, what the- That's what I was talking about. Two beetle fiends fighting each other.
They're trying to fight each other, but they're failing. Crap.
Might as well end their misery.
He tried to get me.
Oh my god, bro.
Okay. Let's go look for some Yakuza members.
I need to kill cricket fiends. I just need to kill 2 more.
Then we'll do this boss fight later on, okay?
Okay. What level is your friend? What level is your friend at?
Yeah. He just started the game.
Oh. Okay. Well, he's nowhere near the level that he needs to be to do the boss fight.
Dion is near that level though. He's past that level.
Oh yeah. We all 3 of us can do the boss fight.
Yeah, but we're gonna have to wait because we gotta get stuff.
I'm gonna go finish my quest. I'm gonna go finish my quest and then. Yeah.
Zayden, you know that skill you get from if you parry and press and you M1 and then you kick them?
Yeah.
I kicked him in the balls and he died.
I'm gonna finish this quest and then we'll all go to the boss fight.
What's your quest?
I need to kill 2 more cricket fiends.
What's a shrimp? Is it the one that drop kicked you?
Yeah.
Hold on, wait, what is there somewhere in this alleyway?
That's where Yakuza members spawn. I highly doubt any ant fiends are gonna be over. I mean, crickets.
Oh, an alleyway. There's the alleyway, right there. There's the alleyway. Something's happening in here.
An ant fiend and a mantis shrimp fiend are fighting.
My friend is in there too.
You know, I'm gonna just end this real quick.
You just killed him.
Oh god. That wasn't me.
Stop being a traffic back here. Should I kill this guy too?
Nah, he didn't do anything.
I'm not sure. We might not let anyone escape the alleyway, but he said nah, so I'm like.
Yeah, he did nothing wrong, so he shouldn't die.
You're getting jumped about a bunch of things. What you Zayden?
Yeah.
In this game with strong battlegrounds, with Sigma battlegrounds, this guy, it was red versus Rainbow, and guess what? When he lost, he said, well, I guess Rainbow is better. Rainbow isn't cool.
Cartoony Rainbow for the win.
We just made up our characters.
Actually, it's a whole design, and actually not our original design. It's called Cartoony Rainbow, and yes, it's a whole design inside the Roblox book. Okay, there's like no cricket fiends anywhere. Oh wait, there's one right there.
There's a cricket. Yeah, there's one right there.
This guy is like my meat shield. Let's go, baby. No, I didn't get the kill.
Probably because he attacked them first. Wait, what's in this alley? What's going on over here?
Cool.
Why?
He has low level protection, chill.
He could have died from that.
He has low level protection. I can't hurt him.
He needs to come do a quest. Let me get him to follow me.
I forgot to mention you're annoying as heck.
He's back, bro.
Oh, I found them.
Oh, he's right there. Okay, hold on, wait, don't. Wait, tell him to stop.
Okay.
Is he still running?
Yes.
Where is he going? Oh. Oh, he's gonna make fun of this and when I say come, he's gonna start making fun of it. Stop doing that. You're gonna kill us all.
Okay. This guy seriously just... Hey, there's the boss. So, the boss got stuck. Oh my god, and I just instant shot it.
You one-shot it, basically?
Yeah, I used my con. I use that ability way too much. My bad.
Hey, don't forget. Wait, does he still have the low-level protection thing, or did you hit me with that?
I don't know.
Oh, he's at level 5. He's at level 5. Don't kill him.
I'm not gonna kill him.
It might not be working because he has a quest already. Yeah, don't tell him not to leave the game, or he's gonna die. Because if he leaves the game in PvP, you know what happens, right?
No.
If you leave the game in PvP, it takes away all your money.
Oh, dang.
This man's attacking his own kind.
So, I found a siege piece on the double.
What about the cucumber devil?
I just murdered it.
Imagine if the bat devil spawns after this.
But there's like no cricket fiends whatsoever.
People are going around killing them for no reason. The Yakuza members already respawned, right? He has a gun, and he aimed it at the wrong person. There's like a bloodstream across the floor.
Also, Larry.
Yeah.
I'm working on it. Guys. Guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
I wanted to tell you guys something. So basically, I'm working on a new game, and it's basically like a Rainbow Friends type of game, except it's better.
Okay, Zayden,
Yeah,
where are you?
at the starter quest.
Are you waiting for the next boss?
No, I'm trying to find cricket fiends.
We're killing one right now, and I think he's already dead. Check the construction site. They have a lot of things in the construction site.
Cool.
Is there any crickets?
I'm looking right now.
That's not really looking, that's fighting a beetle.
I'm cutting off the beetle.
As soon as I find a cricket fiend, it's just dead.
Where is it?
In front of the hospital. There's literally just a dead cricket fiend right by the hospital. He was literally 2 inches away from being saved, bro.
And he killed it, and he died because he was dumb enough not to go into the hospital.
No, literally, he's like right in front of the doors of the hospital. It's like hilarious.
Wait, what does he look like?
He's just laying face flat on the floor. You'll see when the video is uploaded.
Cool.
You're gonna kill us all. The comment's so annoying. Wait till I get that ability.
My bad.
So good. You killed me. No.
Fun. Hey,
What's the story of Yakuza in here?
I don't know.
There's two cricket fiends there too.
Where?
It's like the big road leading into like that dead end with a bunch of buildings on it. And it's like two cricket fiends there and a bunch of Yakuza members. If you attack a cricket fiend, all of them will cut off you, just to let you know. You might want to use your hybrid.
Are you sure they're cricket fiends?
They're cricket fiends, they're hopping all over the place, yes!
Okay,
And I think someone is getting ganged up on.
I can't find it.
I think someone's getting beat up. Because... I got this. Just lead the way.
Bro, there's a freaking bone devil. That's a cricket fiend. That's a cricket fiend. Oh my god, yes. Don't you dare. No, I need this. I need this kill. I need this kill. Let's go, baby. Would you try to... Okay, yeah, you're dead.
What are y'all I don't want it. You just get out of the
let's go do that boss fight.
Hold on, wait.
Okay, everybody go to the construction site.
I gotta kill three more Yakuza members, and then I can come.
Okay. Dion, head to the construction site.
I'm not even in that game.
Bro, why?
Do you want to help us? It's that boring.
It got boring because you didn't do anything.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say, Zayden. You wasn't doing anything.
Oh, now all of a sudden that I completed the cricket quest, cricket fiends want to spawn literally everywhere.
Ah, yes, the sweet smell of money. Okay, meet me at the construction site.
I'm already there.
Meet me at the construction site.
I'm already there.
Maybe like. It's asking me if I want to kick someone to death. Okay, you at the construction site?
Yeah.
Are you right by the red? There you are. Yeah. Let's go. Wait, you teleported us?
Yeah.
I'm scared. You might want to become hybrid.
I become hybrid in desperate situations.
Okay. And that's not a desperate situation because I just heard you.
Don't ask. Me and Dion got to wave too. That's it. Bro, what the frick is that? Ew, the zombie devil. Wait, can we hurt each other in this? Because if we can hurt each other, this makes it 10 times harder. Okay. I like the lighting in this boss fight. Bro, look at the zombie devil. What is that thing? Are we supposed to hit that thing? These crawler zombies are really bro. How am I not dead yet? I tried to solo this boss fight, worst mistake I ever made. Bro, help me, what are you doing? I need to recover too, and I'm still out here fighting. my god, bro. I'm on the brink of death. I'm trying my hardest. Yeah. Okay, you really need to cover for me because I'm about to die. I am so low. Can you just cover for me?
I can try. You just gotta hop. What is your regeneration level at?
Not very high. I just need you to kill them for a little bit. I'm
holding on for as long as I can, but there's a lot.
Okay, I just upgraded my regeneration. I should be regenning quicker now. They were in a group a second ago, okay. Oh god, there's so many. Oh, there's so many. Oh, there's so many. Oh, no, let me dash away. Oh my god. These crawler zombies are gonna freaking kill me. Okay. Oh my god, they gave me a lot of my health back. Alright, I think I'm ready. Bro, this fight is reminding me of my mortality. It's really hard. Oh, why is this so hard? We're gonna have to come back to this boss fight when we're level 100. So, we're doing surprisingly well. Wait, did we kill the tank zombie? Yeah, I think we did. Okay, so it should be easy from now on. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm trying. Oh, wait, he's still alive? I can use my con on him. Okay, this crawler zombie's about to die. Do I still need to cover, or are you good? Okay. Yeah.
Here comes the last three over here.
Okay. I use con. Oh, okay, that's really good. Ow! Oh god! He does so much damage. The tank zombie does so much damage. Ow. Oh no. Okay, I think it's only the tank. I think it's only the tank zombie left.
No, there's still one more and a few crawlers.
Okay, well you take care of them and I'll take care of the tank zombie.
Okay.
I'll go for as long as I can. I got a lot of health, so I'll be pretty good.
Okay, I feel.
Actually, it doesn't do that much damage.
Why do you gotta get out of the skin?
I don't know. Oh, we got him.
How much money did you get from that?
8.
I don't know.
Yeah, same. Bro, we're gonna breeze through this.
Oh my god, there's a lot of colors.
Oh god, there's 2 tank zombies. No, 3! No, wait, there's too many! Ah! I think it's just mainly crawlers and tanks. Yeah, we definitely need like 4 people for this. Oh, that ain't good. Oh, that ain't good. That ain't good. That ain't good. That ain't good. Oh,
We just need to start killing them. Did you die?
no. Yeah. Alright, well, we're gonna have to try that again. Also, I am gonna have to end the video in order to get out the game. So, see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video, and bye.